Welcome to our guide on indoor vertical farming. Today, we'll explore the best resources to help you set up your own indoor vertical farm. First, let's dive into some essential books. The Vertical Farm by Dr. Dixon Despomier and Vertical Vegetable Gardening by Chris McLaughlin are must-reads. For those who prefer listening, check out the Vertical Farming Podcast and the Indoor Farming Podcast. They offer practical advice and insights. YouTube is another great resource. Videos like How to Set Up an Indoor Vertical Farm by Modern Farmer provide step-by-step guides. If you prefer structured learning, consider online courses. Udemy's Indoor Vertical Farming and Skillshare's Vertical Farming, a beginner's guide, are excellent options. Websites like Indoor Farms of America and GreenBiz offer up-to-date information on the latest developments in indoor vertical farming. Don't forget to explore Urban Ag News and Vertical Farm Daily for news and updates on indoor farming technologies and trends. With these resources, you're well equipped to start your indoor vertical farming journey. Happy farming, and thanks for watching!